Raise warning in Python without interrupting program. I am trying to raise a warning in Python without making the program crash, stop, interrupt. I use the following simple function to check if the user passed a non-zero number to it. If so, the program should warn them, but continue as per normal. It should work like the code below, but should use class warning, error or exception instead of printing the warning out manually. If I use the code below and pass 0 to the function, the program crashes and the value is never returned. Instead, I want the program to continue normally and just inform the user that he passed 0 to the function. I want to be able to test that a warning has been thrown testing it by unitist. If I simply print the message out, I am not able to test it with assert raises in unitist.
You shouldn't raise the warning, you should be using warnings module. By raising it you're generating error, rather than warning.
See the Python documentation, here.
By default, unlike an exception, a warning doesn't interrupt. After import warnings, it is possible to specify a warnings class when generating a warning. If one is not specified, it is literally use a warning by default. To simply use a pre-existing class instead, for example deprecation warning. Creating a custom warning class is similar to creating a custom exception class. For testing, consider assert warns or assert warns rejects. As an alternative, especially for standalone applications, consider the logging module. It can log messages having a level of debug, info, warning, error, etc. Log messages having a level of warning or higher are by default printed to stir.
Just a small demonstration snippet. I was a bit puzzled how to use warnings.warn, so I provide here a short demo. Note how print code running after warning is executed, not executed after warnings.warn, raise user warning. Also warnings.warn prints the warning message only once.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.